Okay, welcome to my show कुछ खास बातें राजा के साथ where we dive into topic which is important for us and the society. So today we will talk on a topic about one of the personality who has completed training in NIFL and its journey was amazing. So I would like to invite that person. So please put a huge round of applause to Mr. Hamu Pushwa. Okay, Mr. Hamu, how are you feeling after coming on my show?
I'm feeling really great. Actually.
Okay. So, how was your experience after completing your whole course?
My experience was great, and now I feel very better that I can speak English and fluently and anywhere with anyone.
Oh, that's great. Okay, what challenges did you face initially when you joined NIFL?
Not only one challenge, actually, I faced a lot of challenge like the meaning mistakes and the hesitation and the confidence level was very down in the when I joined my coaching. So I feel a lot of problems. But when you will feel that you will do better for your upcoming time.
Oh, that's great. Okay, one of my audience has asked a question to you that there are various coaching in Gwalior. Why only NIFL? What gives NIFL the best or the unique things?
Uh, the NIFL is different because the NIFL only have one coaching in the earlier who create the practical session, who give you a task in the public speaking to speak with a different person, to speak with the strangers, to speak with the new places. That is the different thing in the NIFL, and no one coaching provide you in the Goa.
Okay, as you were the Hindi medium student,
Yes.
so when you joined initially, what challenges did you face when you see that many of the person are able to speak on the stage? At that time, what you faced?
In that time I feel a lot of hesitation because I'm a Hindi medium student, but I never face a lot of problem. I feel that I want to do something more new things and I want to learn new things. So that's why I joined the NIFL, and now I feel better that I can speak fluently in the podium and I can give the presentation very fluently.
Okay, what do you think Hemu is now the better version of himself as when he joined initially this coaching?
Yes, that is the right.
Yeah. So NIFL provides a very good platform where people are able to express confidently on the stage. That's very good. That's amazing. So who was your best trainee in the coaching?
My best trainee is the Radhika ma'am, who give me a lot of things like how don't do the mistake, the round and round that think broad, which type of thing you ask, which type of thing you want to present, and a lot of things they give me.
Okay, okay. What you want to suggest my audience on behalf of you as you have completed the journey and NIFL? What you want to suggest? Why to join this coaching and who should come to this coaching to join NIFL?
Who want to something increase ourselves, who want something learn, who want learn new something things. Also, I think that person should be join the NIFL because the NIFL is good and he increase your personality, he increase your knowledge, and he also increase your communication skills. And the last thing that is everyone can speak English. But the question is that you can give 100%, you can give the continuity. That is the challenge.
So that's very great experience as Pushpa told. So if you are nervous when you go on a stage and if you are hesitant and if you are not able to cope up with the situation when you go on a stage, so this is the right platform and I can give you the platform where you can survive in that situation, you can face that situation when you come in that situation. So and so wonderful, I feel so much wonderful to come on my
Uh, Actually, I have a one thought for audience that is गुरु के बिना ज्ञान के बिना मान का, और गुरु ने दिया ज्ञान जना सुखी सुख है। Thank you very much.
Oh, very nice. Okay, yeah,